1. Locate the leaks. If it didn't squirt you in the face, you may have to go on a whole hunt. Does your hose leak at the faucet? Does it leak where you've joined two hoses? Does it leak at the point where you've attached a sprinkler head or spraying device? Or does it leak somewhere in the middle? 2. Fix leaky joints. Detach the hose from other hoses or devices, and thoroughly lube the threads of each with petroleum jelly. Reattach and you will notice fewer leaks, or even none at all. Be careful trying to reattach the items as your hands will be slick. Another option is to use a rubber washer. These are available at a hardware or garden supply store and can be slipped onto the female end of the hose. This should prevent leaking when it is joined to another hose or device. 3. Use rubber cement for tears or punctures. Using a dry paper towel, dry off the section of hose where there is a hole or cut. If the hole is within a foot, 30 centimeters of the end of the hose, try using a piece of dowel with paper towel wrapped around it to clean the inside of the hose. Apply some rubber cement to, and around, the hole. Fill in the hole, but not so much that it gets inside of the hose. This could result in clogging up the hose, and increasing the water's pressure, causing more leaks and an incentive for the hose to burst at that weak spot. 4. Use a tire puncture repair kit. These are most commonly sold at bicycle repair shops, body shops, car parts stores, etc. Carefully read the directions of use, and apply the repair substance to the hole. After drying, buy a small sheet of solid rubber from a craft store, hardware store, or other supplier. You can also cut a small square out of an old rubber rain boot, bicycle tire, or any other rubber item you no longer use. Glue it over the leak and let dry. Use a glue able to keep the rubber attached strongly. 5. Get a coupling for more severe tears. They are available at a hardware store. Repair couplings work by allowing you to cut out the leaky portion of hose and rejoin it where you made the cuts. Shut off the water to the hose and cut out the bad portion. Splice in the repair coupling. It will have detailed instructions on the label. 6. Finished. Now go dry yourself off.